Again, I don't want to get involved in the issue of tolerance. I've said before that our country has lived in harmony, and I'm sure the few issues we've seen in terms of intolerance will come to the areas that express the intolerance will come to their senses. We have to work together, we have to live together and continue to do so, not contribute to the intolerance that is growing in the world around us. Education and jobs, satisfaction are all issues that will help reduce or eliminate intolerance, because it will be replaced by knowledge, rationality, etc. So I don't want to get into the issue of intolerance as being voiced on TV in India at the present moment.